All right, hello everyone, you're welcome. This is David. Elgiot is the name on most of our platforms where I do my stream, Binance, and yes, HTX and Gate, previously on CoinW also. So we are very much welcome, and of course, I'm super excited and glad to be doing this with us. We're going to be walking us through how to get about positioning for the Perena Airdrop. I hope I pronounced that well, Perena. As you can see on the screen, the first thing we want you to do is to click on connect and then impute a unique referral code. I think I just spot one, but because I've already connected my wallet, I might not be able to impute the code. It should have earned me 100 petals. So I mean, that's more reason why you have to use the code I'm dropping under this video, so you can earn 100 petals without doing much. Because I mean, you all know this project. It goes by the name Perena on X. It goes by that name Perena on X, Perena and then double underscores. And the pre-seed has been backed by Borderless and led by Binance Labs and of course Primitive, as you all can see. That's a very strong one. And what exactly is Perena all about? You might want to ask. Of course, when you head over to their bio, you would see that clearly written: a decentralized stablecoin infrastructure. It is existing on Solana blockchain, and I think the narrative is more interesting. Don't forget to give me a following here on Elgiot on X, and I would always appreciate that. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So what we're going to be doing is connecting our wallet, which is the first line of action, and of course ensuring that you've funded it. So you can actually use $5 to fund, $10 to swap, and then 100 US dollars to swap. All right, so as you can see on the screen, this is the old Petals program. So what we're going to be doing essentially is we're swapping USDT for USDC or USDC for USDT, both ways, just to earn points. And the points are simply known as Petals. So it's an incentive program rewarding users who drive protocol growth, and that's what exactly Petal program is all about. So this is how it works. It functions on, I think, two legs. There is the daily swapping and of course the balancing part. So you must leave some balance, at least 100 USD on your balance for you to earn 100 Petal over a 24 hours rolling period. But again, you get to earn 0.1 Petal per dollar. So the thing is, the highest amount of Petal you can earn is 50 Petals per swap, and that explains that for you to get 50 Petals, you're going to divide 50 by 0.1. That tells you must complete a 500 US dollar swap to get that. And so that's what we want to aim for, right? So the higher your Petal, the more likely the point or airdrop is going to be released. That's going to be like released over time. So I think that's essentially what it is. And we swap, we leave dollars, and then we get the funding done. All right, guys, so we need to attempt the swap right now. So let's do that. So we have USDT on this account. We're going to be doing the swap. So I hope you can see you've got to fund your wallet. So we want to ensure we've got the maximum point, and that's why we have this wallet funded to go about the swapping. And so we currently have 0 Petal. We're going to be seeing how that works. I hope you get to see this, and that's why I tried during you see that. And of course, you've got to have your Solana to pay for gas fees. So let's make this swap right now. So I'm going to be clicking on swap, and then so I mean, we're going to be having this amount of USDCs being released. Making the swap right now, confirming, and then the transaction is ongoing. We're going to be seeing if we've got USDT. So boom, we've earned 50 Petals. So that's very interesting. The next thing I want to do is I want to go back again to the swap again from USDC to USDT, and to see if we can actually keep growing our Petals. And there you go, 50 Petals. So let's make the swap count. I don't know why is this so there you go. We're swapping USDC for USDT. We've got a prompt from our wallet. We've gotten the prompt, and then we are going to have that. So it's going. Let's see if we're going to be adding more Petals to this. So 10 swap per day is the maximum number of Petals. Number of swap you can hand. So that's 100 Petals. Isn't that interesting? So we just repeat that, and then we get the maximum number of Petals per day. So I think that essentially explains what we've got to do. And of course, you want to ensure that you're leaving 100 USD T or C at least in your wallet, as we can see, as explained in the balance checks in for Petals. The USD 100 Petals checked in for holding at least 100 USD in a 24-hour rolling period. So that's essentially what it is. And you can also LP in, so do LP, which is you providing liquidity. I would try to see how that works, but the whole idea of this video is how to There is also the pools, which of course I hope everybody's very much aware of. So I think we've actually secured 100 petals now, and I think it's not so difficult to really do, and we are really growing this right on this video. I hope you really. So don't forget to like, share, and post this video. Use the referral link under this video guide, and drop your comments so we can know what you want us to make another video on. So that's it about Perena Airdrop. We look forward to making so much of it, and don't forget to get yourselves ready. This is airdrop season. Peace out. Bye.